Introducing ActionHeat Battery Heated Apparel. In this tip video, we'll explain how ActionHeat works. ActionHeat Battery Heated Apparel allows you to stay warmer and enjoy outdoor winter activities longer than ever before. What makes ActionHeat different than all the other heated clothing brands is its unique 5-volt power bank technology it uses in many of its products. While staying comfortably warm outdoors, you can also maintain a comfortable cell phone battery by doubling ActionHeat's 5-volt batteries as a convenient power bank. ActionHeat's innovative technology is designed to warm the core body temperature using built-in heating panels, making ActionHeat perfect for any outdoor job or activity. In this video, we'll explain the heating power levels and the different kinds of batteries you'll find with ActionHeat Apparel. Depending on your budget or how often you plan on using ActionHeat heated apparel, there will be various levels for temperature output and maximum time usage. All AA battery ActionHeat apparel works with a simple on-off switch and maintains one standard heating level that goes up to a maximum of 120 degrees and can be used for a maximum of up to 4 to 5 hours. The AA battery heated apparel features AA battery heated socks, the AA battery heated scarf, the AA battery heated mittens, and the AA battery heated gloves in standard or fleece. All 3.7 volt battery heated apparel is an exclusive battery option for our wool and cotton heated socks. ActionHeat's 3.7 volt battery heated apparel works with two 3.7 volt lithium polymer rechargeable batteries that can be used for a maximum time of up to 10 hours on the lowest setting and can reach a maximum heating level of over 130 degrees. We recommend using our heated socks mostly on the medium setting, as they tend to get very warm when used for long periods of time. The ActionHeat AA battery heated socks are also compatible with the 3.7 volt batteries for additional convenience. ActionHeat's 5 volt battery heated technology is the most common among ActionHeat's apparel. There are three specific types of 5 volt batteries: the 3000 mAh battery, the 6000 mAh battery, and the new extended life 10,000 mAh battery. The 3000 mAh 5-volt batteries are featured in ActionHeat's socks, gloves and mittens, hats, balaclavas, and the heated dog vests. The 6000 mAh 5-volt battery is used with the jackets, vests, base layers, work shirt, and work jacket, and can be used for a maximum time of up to 5 hours. The extended life 10,000 mAh 5-volt battery can last up to 8 hours. All ActionHeat 5-volt battery heated apparel has a maximum heating range between 135 to 150 degrees. We recommend using 5-volt heated socks on the highest setting for only about 5 minutes at a time. You can use this as a special heat blast setting, as the socks tend to get very warm when used for long periods of time. Additionally, the ActionHeat battery heated insoles feature built-in rechargeable batteries with 3 heating levels that can go up to 130 degrees and can be used for a maximum time of up to 6 hours. To power on any of your 5-volt ActionHeat battery heated apparel, make sure you plug in and conceal your fully charged battery. Then press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds to power it on. After the colors on the button stop pulsing and maintain a solid color, you can now press the button quickly to shuffle through the heating levels. To turn off all your ActionHeat 5-volt battery heated products, press and hold the power button until all the lights power down. Using the onboard control temperature settings, you can use the button on your ActionHeat garment to control your heat levels. The time and total temperature that you can get your ActionHeat garment up to will depend varying on product and the type of battery that you're using. Taking care of your batteries during the summer months is crucial to extending overall battery life. It's recommended to charge any ActionHeat batteries at least once every 3 months to keep them on a regular cycle and to avoid them from staying dormant for too long, which could potentially shorten the battery life. All ActionHeat batteries feature a maximum charging time between 4 to 6 hours. When not using your ActionHeat garments, make sure to unplug any and all power banks from your ActionHeat apparel. In this video, we'll explain all the different kinds of materials you'll find in ActionHeat apparel, and how to properly clean your garments. ActionHeat battery heated apparel features strategically placed built-in heating panels that are made up with special ActionFlex material. These heating panels provide lightweight comfort, insulation, and versatility by using ultra-fine fibers to provide extreme heating performance in even the most harshest conditions. The ActionHeat socks are offered in either cotton or wool, depending on your preference. How to clean your ActionHeat garments. For the easiest and safest cleaning method, ActionHeat recommends spot cleaning by hand. If needed, most 5-volt ActionHeat items are machine washable. It is important to read all instructions on the packaging before machine washing. Step 1. Disconnect and remove all power packs from the garment. Step 2. Place all the wires in pockets, fasten all zippers, and close all remaining pockets. Step 3. Wash separately from all other pieces of clothing and use mild detergent if needed. Step 4. Machine wash with cold water on a gentle cycle. And Step 5. Do not put in the dryer, do not iron, and do not dry clean. Make sure you lay the garment flat to dry. For certain items like the 5-volt socks and the 3.7-volt socks, ActionHeat provides a mesh washing bag to use for your convenience. The typical rule of thumb is, if you can zip up the wiring, you can machine wash. We do not recommend machine washing the ActionHeat gloves. In this video, we'll explain the basic troubleshooting and warranty information. ActionHeat battery heated apparel follows basic troubleshooting steps across their myriad of products, starting with the battery. If your batteries don't light up when you plug them into your charger, or when you plug them into your garment after a charge, your battery may be defective. Sometimes the battery will not reach its full charging lights to indicate it having a power issue. If your battery charges through a full cycle, but doesn't provide any heat when you plug into your garment, there may be an internal disconnection with the wires attached to your heating panels. This can happen in certain situations if ActionHeat socks, jackets, or base layers become overstretched. The ActionHeat warranty features a 3-month factory warranty, which covers the fabric, internal heating connections, and battery connector. The 3-month factory warranty is featured with all the included accessories, such as the rechargeable batteries, charging kit, or AA battery packs. ActionHeat battery heated apparel is ready to assist you with any outdoor needs, any outdoor job, or any outdoor event. ActionHeat battery heated apparel is the perfect amount of comfort and warmth in any situation. Whatever your plans, ActionHeat will be there by your side. Simply turn on and warm up.